S-4040 Front Frame Installation Instruction. Let's install the aluminum frames to the front side panels. First, put the plastic seals on the glass edge. The ends that has wider black paint is the top of the panel. The paint side is the interior side. Install the aluminum frame. You need to use rubber mallet to tap the frame in. The shower's interior surface of the glass is painted black at the ends. The cuts on the frame must be installed to be on the interior surface of the glass panel. It is easier to let the panel stand on its side, and tap from the top. Make sure the frame and the glass panel are flush at the ends. Now, let's install the frame on the other side of the glass panel. The squarely notched corner of the big frame must be installed to the bottom of the panel, that is the narrower painted end. Here is the square notch. The wing on the frame must be on the paint side. Tap in the big frame in the correct orientation. Repeat the same procedure for the other front panel. This is the top end of the front panel with frames. Let's install the top track to the front panel. Make sure the U-channel's opening faces the top. Use the 1-inch long iron screws, and screwdriver with a magnetic tip to attach. Tight these two screws alternatively as tight as you can. Power screwdriver may be used. Install the door stopper. Connect the track to the small frame. Use a drill bit of 2/32 to drill through the top track and the first wall of the frame. Use a 1/2-inch stainless steel metal screw to attach. Repeat the overall procedure for the other 3 corners.